This is the free motion quilting tutorial for web fill. This is stitched by first starting with kind of a set of spokes. So they're just some straight lines crossing over one another. And I did about 4 sets of lines to create 8 little segments of my web. Then you're going to start creating the kind of the spider web of the web and bouncing from spoke to spoke, going in a circular fashion. And you're just filling up that little space around each spoke. And then to get to your next little spider web, you're going to travel a bit and branch out with a new line. And I'm stitching this one just a little bit longer so that way you can see it better. There is a bit of traveling involved with this design. You can see you have to travel back and forth along the spokes in order to get from one area to another. And you can definitely change up the texture by making your spokes bigger or smaller. You can also change the texture by widening your spider web spiral. It's kind of a spiral of slightly curving lines that fills the spider web to the outside. And if you widen those lines, then you will widen the design itself and make it fill a lot faster over your quilt. This is a stacking design, so the spider web shapes are stacking together to form the design, and you're kind of traveling in order to get to each one. Because of the way it's formed, it's going to work pretty well in all areas of your quilt. You can fit it even into very tight, very complicated areas because you can control how big the spider web spokes are as you start. And here's what it looks like when you finish web fill. For over 200 videos on free motion quilting, please check out daystyledesigns.com.